Hello. Okay. Angling. Okay, let me just hold this. Hi. So, happy Wednesday. Today is the last class for tutorials. It's the last tutorial. Oh my god. Sorry. Yeah, it's the last tutorial today. Really fun. That's exciting. I think I might meet with one of my classmates before I go to class. Not too sure. Nonetheless, it's the last tutorial today, which means term is over pretty much. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Term went like really fast. But yeah, I'm here. We made it down to campus. And the focus for today is on my Indigenous Studies 2GO3. Is this? No, not her. Sorry, I'm just like such a mess. I have my Indigenous Studies final paper due tomorrow. It's not the exam, but like the final paper. I'll go over it a little bit more later. But nonetheless, I'm here. It's snowing. I have my jacket on. I forgot my scarf. I'm literally so scared. I do not want to get sick. Pray for me. I'll see you like when we are doing something more exciting. At least my feet are warm. Yes. I'm glad I took.
Like, it's really important to incorporate like ideas of diversity and ideas of inclusion and compassion in educating physicians, because like you're going to build more compassionate doctors. Right. So yeah. Yes.
Did you write your name on any of these?
You too.
Great. So I've been sick.
Thank you. Yes. Okay, we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Go crazy. Okay, so from my understanding, Mac is having a walkout. They started at 2 o'clock. Oh my god. Okay, my nose. Yo, my nose is dripping like a faucet. I don't think this is gonna be open.